Hey guys, if you are using a school computer, the easiest way to get to typing.com is to go to your MyMPS folder. And then, sorry, mine looks a little crazy, but you want to go down to MNPS Clever. So let's see, it should be Clever Portal. Oh, there it is, Clever Portal right up here. Just says Clever Portal. I have some extras, don't stress about those. So we're going to open our Clever Portal, and mine does auto log me in because I log in so often. And yours may look a little different, but that's okay. What I want you to do is I want you to find the app that says typing.com. It's blue. Mine's up at the top because I just added it, but if you want to go down and search, you can do that too. And typing.com. So we're going to click it there. And then you're just it should auto log you in through Clever. So that's one way. And then what I want you to see too is when you are working, you're going to click on assignments, and you guys have two different sets of assignments this 9 weeks. And all those assignments are already there. So once you're done, you're done. So perfect. We're going to have career prep lessons, which is teaching you how to use your computer for skills that you'll use as an adult. And then also your typing lessons to really get you guys to be quick typers, because as you know, that matters. So that is how you log in through Clever. Now, the second way you can log in is just going to typing.com. Okay, it doesn't auto log me in here, but if you click student login and then you click login with Clever, it auto logs you in there as well. And your assignments should be over here on the left, and you'll click through. So mine look a little different. It shows me who's done them and who hasn't. Of course, you guys haven't started them yet. So that is how you'll log into typing.com. So good luck. Hope you guys enjoy that one.